Hello, dear. Happy Friday.
Hi.
Hello, happy Friday to you. Oh, again, pink and pink. Yes, we like pink. Okay, pink. And congratulations for moving up to the next level. Okay, very good. Congratulations. How are you?
I'm fine.
Oh, that's great. Okay, so are you ready to? Okay, are you ready for our new lesson now?
Yeah.
Okay, I will share my screen. Okay, here it is. Okay, okay, my dear. Here, what
Yes.
are the... Okay, can you read this for me? Can you help teacher?
What are different way to say hello,
Okay, first,
morning, good afternoon, good evening.
okay, when do you say good morning? At
Hello,
night?
morning.
Do you say good morning?
Goodbye.
Okay.
Hi.
Yes. You
Hi.
can say good afternoon, good evening.
Look,
Okay.
is very scared.
Okay, my dear, next. Oh no. Okay, next, my dear, what?
What do you say when you leave someone?
Okay, what do you say? Okay.
Goodbye.
When
Good morning.
someone, yes, when someone is leaving and going out of your house, you say,
Bye bye.
yes. What else?
Bye.
Okay, another one.
See you later.
Okay, very good.
Bye.
And, okay, what else? Okay, my dear, here. See,
See you tomorrow.
yes, okay. When someone is leaving, we say, see you later. Okay, next.
Goodbye. Bye.
Goodbye, friend. Hello, friend.
See you later.
Okay, so let's go to Unit 1. Okay, we will
What
talk
is
about
your hello again?
hello again.
What? What? Unit 1
Yes,
is
Unit
Unit
1.
50.
Yes, we finished it already. We are now in the next level, high level. We will start from Unit 1, high level flyers. Okay. Now let's see this
What
picture.
is my level?
Your level is
Teacher, what is my level?
your
2 or
score
3 or
is 94 over 100. Good job. Okay, and your level now
ever?
is flyers. Last
What
time
is a flyer?
it's what we call, it's the name of our lessons or level. It's fun for
What is
flyers. Okay. So let's go here, my dear. Look at the picture and let's answer the question. Can you help teacher here? Okay, that's pretty. Okay. Okay, my dear, what's the question? Okay, can you see our question? How? Okay, my dear. Okay, our question. Okay, can you see our question? Okay, how? Number one.
No, I don't see. I don't see the picture.
Oh no. Oh, I will share again. Okay, here. Can you see it now? Okay. Can you see the question number one?
Yes.
Okay, what
But
is?
I see the look at what one how many I just see because that
You don't see the question? Why?
I see look at the big one how many there in the what's that?
Playground.
I just see.
Oh no, why? Okay, let's try again. I will share again.
That's the background.
Okay, I will share now. Okay, can you see it again?
What?
Oh no.
I see.
Okay. How many children?
How many children? How many children are there in the playground?
Playground. Okay. Now look at the
1,
picture.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh no, so
2,
many.
3,
But
4,
they
5,
are
6, 7.
only. Okay, let's count again.
7, 6, 7.
Okay, what's your answer? 6 or 7?
7.
Okay, but children, do you think this is a child?
Children.
Is this still a child or a baby or a little girl? Okay, let's see the answer. Dun dun dun. Dun. Do you,
What?
why? Because this is not a child. Okay, so the child is
A
1.
teacher.
Yes. Okay, 2, 3,
That is
4, 5, and 6. Okay. Okay, next question. Can you see question number 2? Can you see it? What is?
What?
Number 2 question.
Number 2 question.
Yes, can you see the number 2 question here?
Do you
What?
see?
You see your hair? Yes, it's beautiful and shiny. Okay, my dear, question number 2, please.
No.
Can you help teacher?
Yes, but the hair is...
Yes, your hair is long and shiny and beautiful. Okay,
No.
No, why? Okay, number 2 question, my dear, please. What is...
Wait. Okay.
Okay. Can you read this for me, number 2?
It's a dog.
Okay, my dear, number 2,
It's
please.
a dog.
What is...
Okay.
Number
What
2.
is the building that's behind the children?
Okay. What's your answer?
I don't know.
Here, what is this building? Here. What is this building?
That
Yes.
here is behind the children.
Yes.
Behind the children.
What do you call this building? Is this a house? Or a fire station?
Teacher.
Yes.
Look, surprise.
Oh no. Oh no, purple. Okay.
Many purple.
Yes, many purple. Okay, let's go back here. You can color the building here purple. But what is this building? Is this a house, a fire station, a police station? What is your answer?
The building.
Okay, but what is the name of the building? This is where students...
Neonization factory.
Okay, okay, let's see the answer. Okay, dun, da, 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 dun. What's the answer? Yes, it's the school. Okay, it's where we go to learn our subjects and lessons. Okay, next, my dear. Question number 3.
I want to sing a song. Sing
Right.
a song.
What song? What song do you like to sing? Okay, I have here. Let's try this quick.
What is my my baby, oh.
Oh no, but
What is my song?
But teacher doesn't know that song. Okay, here, teacher will share a screen. Okay, we can sing this real quick. Okay, can you see it? Okay. Okay. I am learning and growing every day. I am learning and growing every day. It's okay to make mistakes. I'm trying my best each day. I am learning and growing every day. Okay, you try, my dear. In 3, 2, 1. I am learning and growing every day.
I think growing every day. It's okay to make mistake. I'm trying my best each
I'm
day.
trying my best each day. I am learning and growing every day.
Every day.
Okay, again, one last time. Okay. I am learning and growing every day. Clap, clap. I am learning.
And growing every day.
Clap, clap. It's okay to make mistakes.
I'm trying my best each day. I am learning and growing every day.
Clap, clap. Okay, very good. Good job, my dear. Okay, learning and growing every day. Okay, now let's go back here to our picture. Let's learn and grow. Okay, where is it? Okay, let's go here. Okay, number 3, my dear. Question number 3. How many? Okay, do you see it?
Teacher, look, it's beautiful.
Yes. Who did that? Who wrote
Ah,
that? You
me.
did. Oh, wow. You have a beautiful drawing of a rainbow. How many colors does a rainbow have?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Very good. Okay, what is your favorite color
My
in the
favorite
rainbow?
color.
In the
Do
rainbow.
you do you know the rainbow is have seven
Colors.
colors?
Yes.
But I I I very like pink and and I draw the pink in here because I very like pink. Do
Yes.
you know? You know the rainbow is half 7, but my rainbow is half 8.
Oh, okay. You can say the rainbow has 7 colors. We don't say the rainbow is have. Okay, we don't say that, my dear. We don't say the rainbow is have.
The rainbow,
The rainbow
the
has
rainbow have, the
7.
rainbow have, you know, the rainbow has 7
Very good.
colors. My rainbow has
My
eight
rainbow has
8 colors because I very like pink.
pink. Yes, very
Draw
good.
it in the rainbow.
Yes, pink. And teacher also likes pink. That's why we have
Here
the
I have
same.
the pen is very cute. Look.
Okay, can I see it?
And then
Oh, yes. It's up.
look.
It's
That is
is that
very angry.
okay?
It's very
Hello.
angry. Look,
Is that
look.
Hello Kitty? It looks like Hello Kitty. Is that a
Yeah,
pen or a pencil?
a pen. Look,
Oh,
look, look.
yes, it has 2 ears and a ribbon
It's
on
very.
its head. Yes, very, very cute.
And
Okay.
here I have one pen again. Look, look. It's
Oh, okay, what's on the top?
a star.
Yes, wow, that's very nice.
It's round, 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 round.
Yes, there's a star at the top.
Here, I have one pen again.
Okay, how many pens do you have?
Here.
Oh, what is that?
Hello.
Okay, wow, it's pink again. Yes.
Hello.
Hello, pink and white pen. How many pens do you have?
I have 12.
Oh, there's so many.
I
There's
have
so many pens.
two.
Which one is your favorite?
My favorite is the cat.
Oh, I see. Yes, the cat. The Hello Kitty cat. Okay. Okay, my dear. Number 3 questions, please. Can you see our screen? Okay, you give your answer. Let us see if you have the correct answer. What is your answer? Okay, let's go back to the question. How many?
How many grown-ups can you see?
Do you know what are grown-ups? Okay.
I go.
Okay. How about adults? Do you know what is adult? Okay, teacher is an adult. Okay. Teacher here is a grown-up. Okay, how
Teacher,
many?
how many I clap?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9. You clap 9 times. 9, right?
No.
Okay. Oh
11.
no. Oh
11.
no. That's so many. Okay, again.
Look, here I have 11 fingers.
Oh
Look,
no.
look.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. 5 plus 6 equal
11. No.
11.
Oh no, that's a trick. Oh no. Okay, that's so smart, my dear. Okay, number 4 question. Oh, here. There is only one grown up. The teacher here in the picture. Okay, number 4. Last question, my dear. Number 4, please.
What?
Number 4 question, please. Can you see the question number 4?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, what's the question? Do you
think she is a teacher?
Yes, the one here.
Because she is.
Do you think this one is a teacher? Yes or no? Oh no, I can't hear you, my dear. Teacher can't hear you.
Oh, I
Okay.
talk with that.
Okay. Okay. Do you think this is the teacher? Yes or no?
Because the teacher is wearing the shoes
Yes. And what is she
and
doing?
she running
Yes,
and
very good.
and
She is,
she has many books.
yes, very good. She is late in her class, so she is running very fast. Okay. Can you run very fast?
Yes.
Running. Okay, like the teacher. How about here? What are they doing here? This one. The two children here. What are they doing?
Hoàn hảo 100%.
Okay, my dear. What are they
Yes,
doing here? They are
yes.
playing.
They're all playing.
What? Hair clip? Are they playing hair clip? Okay, here's the picture. What are the children doing? Here. They are playing with.
They are playing with the boy.
Yes, and there's a ball. They are playing with a ball.
My eye is very beautiful.
Yes, your eyes are big. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, the girl here has also, I think she also has a hair clip here. The girl in the picture, I think she also has a hair clip. Okay. How about this one?
Stop now. I want to sleep.
Oh no. Okay, my dear, let's continue this in our next class tomorrow.
No. Number 5.
Number 5? There's no number 5.
Oh, it's next. Vocabulary.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, what's the word?
Sky.
Okay, very good.
Sky.
Eyes. Cờ ai cai. Cờ ai cai.
Okay, sky. Next.
In the Vietnamese, in 5 years old, my brother is read. I cờ ai cai.
I
Sky.
see. Sky, yes. S-K-I, sky. Right. Next word.
Chair.
Yes.
Seat.
Sit. Chair.
Yes, very good. Next word.
Skateboard.
Very good.
Skateboard.
Skateboard.
Okay, skateboard. Next.
Skateboard.
Backpack.
Backpack.
Okay.
Sky.
Next.
Bicycle.
Bicycle. Bike.
Yes. Next.
Grass.
Grass.
Yes. Green grass. Next.
Sunglasses.
Sunglasses.
Yes, very good. Sunglasses. And the last one?
Roof.
Roof.
Okay. Your house also has a roof above. Okay, my dear, very good.
I have many sky because
Many sky?
yeah.
What do you mean?
I take the
Oh,
I have one picture in the in in the phone. It have rainbow.
Oh, you take a photo of sky with rainbow. That is so lovely. Okay, that is a beautiful view. Sky with rainbow. Okay, my dear, you did great. Okay, you answered our lessons very well. And
Bye bye.
okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye, my dear. Sleep tight.
Bye.